Now moving to the Claim tab. The Claim tab is pretty straightforward because it ties back to the Coverage and Risk tabs. Again, at the top we have our same basic information: file version, source system, extract date, claim transaction sequence, and claim unique ID. Note the claim unique ID in row 13 goes down to the feature or occurrence level, meaning if you have multiple coverages, we would expect multiple different claim unique IDs for the same claim number. This allows us to identify the reserves and the payments by each claimant or each coverage. For example, in the case of a property claim on an insured building, you might have the claim broken out between the building and contents, and then you'd have two separate reserves set up. You would have two different claim unique IDs, but with the same claim number. In rows 14 through 18, we have the policy references including the policy unique ID, primary and secondary risk unique ID, risk relationship unique ID, and the coverage unique ID. Continuing to scroll down in rows 19 through 21, we find information on the claimant, adjuster, and contacts. The claim feature number in row 23 is typically a numeric or alphanumeric entry. It could be coverage A, coverage B, contents, whatever you wish. Or it can just be 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever works for you. The claim feature delete flag in row 24 was added for one system that would delete features. Basically, they set up a claim with all the features on the claim, and then they would go back and delete the features that were not applicable. This flag allowed us to handle this unusual situation. If you have that scenario, you would use this field to mark the features deleted. Row 25 allows for a claim group number if needed. Rows 26 to 35 include types of loss, catastrophe information, cause of loss data, and other claim date-related data. Row 36 is for the claim status code, details for which are included on the status and transaction type spreadsheet. Next, in rows 37 to 47, we have loss location information. In row 48, we have the claim change date. Let's say that the loss location was wrong and you have a change to fix the loss location. If reports were already produced, then we want to be able to report up until the date of the change, what the value was before the change, to match the original reports. Continuing to scroll down to the bottom, we have sample claim extensions. You can add as many extensions as you want. This really comes into play in lines of business like workers' comp, where there is an enormous amount of detail.